What's going on, people? A couple months back when I was in Jamaica, I was sitting in a car and I decided to ask a couple Jamaicans, why are so many Jamaicans so homophobic? They turned out to be homophobic themselves, so I decided not to put out the video. For a few reasons. One being I failed to convince them to see things my way and not be homophobic. And two, I didn't want to perpetuate any more negative images of Jamaicans to the public. But yesterday I was messaged by a subscriber who happens to be gay and this topic came up. So I decided I'm going to release the video. I'm not going to put the captions at the bottom of the screen like I did in my last video, so good luck understanding the Jamaican dialect. Oh, and the quote of the day, you never really learn much from hearing yourself speak. What you want? Let's do this. Come on.
Up church and everything, man. We leak out. Boy, lipstick.
Everybody knows all the stereotypes and all of the bad things that we hear about Jamaicans and hating gay people and homosexuals. So I'm sitting here and I'm gonna ask them, what do Jamaican people have against homosexuals? Why are they so hated? And please don't be insulting or curse and all that, because it's not gonna work on YouTube. I'll have to beep it out afterwards. What do Jamaican people have against homosexuals and gay people? If you're not gay yourself, why do you care whether they're living together or getting married?
We don't want that in our country. No.
It's not supposed to happen.
Says who?
Says Jamaicans.
Said the Bible.
The Bible?
Yeah.
The Bible says a lot of things. The Bible says kill people in it too.
Yeah.
The Bible encourages stealing, encourages father killing their son. The Bible encourages all types of things. I can find a verse in the Bible right now that tells me to kill you. Whether it's something you do, whether it's lying or whatever. So you're saying that the way you feel about homosexuals, gays, is because of religion.
Yeah, man.
Do you know how much people get killed in the past 50 years just based on religion?
What do you mean by
world wars? Millions of people are slaughtered.
Yeah, man.
Based on religion.
No for them.
So why do you want that to continue?
But it's not supposed to happen.
Why is it not supposed to happen?
You
know that
man to a woman and a woman to a man.
You will go jail, you know. You will go jail if you beat them and they hold you know.
That's why they beat them when they catch them.
You know that 100 years ago you couldn't vote because you're a woman? And that was the law?
No,
if you're a female, you feel oppressed. In Jamaica, in the United States, laws change. People like me create laws. Laws are not something given from the gods that are just holy. I can go create a law right now if I want. So just because something is law doesn't mean you should worship it like it's something that can't be changed. When society changed, laws changed. They said women don't have no sense, women is property, women shouldn't vote. Now we're smarter, we're more educated, we know that women can vote. So now we can go and vote like the rest of the men. Then she's not just some property. Homosexual people, I'm not in favor of homosexual people. I'm not against homosexual people. If you're not homosexual, what difference does it make to you?
I mean, not pass the road with their stuff there, you know. You're mad. Man.
What difference does it make to you?
What? You're not passing my road.
He says that if I was talking like this on the street, he wouldn't associate with me because I'm partially defending homosexuals.
Yeah, man. Yo.
So you don't have any reason, no logical reason of why you're against homosexual people.
You know my reason.
You know homosexual people are very creative when it comes to fashion and all of that.
Yes.
They created a lot of things in the world, you know, that you use all the time.
Yeah.
But they probably designed the same pants you're wearing. They probably designed the same pants you're wearing. And you don't even know.
Don't talk them something, man. You must be mad. Yo, the last 2 months. I tell him say if a boy about did a son a kiss me see. And I'm here pass them. I last kiss him a kiss.
So as you can see, he doesn't even know why he's against homosexuals. The only thing he knows is it's against the religion and it's wrong. But he actually doesn't have any reasoning or logical reasoning of why he's against it. He just knows he's against it for no reason. Don't you see anything wrong with that? Not having any logical reason, you're just doing it because it's a way of life and
you're not supposed to do that stuff though, man. In a few years from here come up. You ever hear of them the things they used to go on at the first time years?
Homosexual people are not something that grows with the trend. There've always been homosexual people. Every single biological species has homosexual in it. Dogs, cats, fishes, every single species there's a string of homosexuals inside of that species. It's not something new. Of course, in Jamaica, where people kill homosexuals and burn them up, all of that. If you're homosexual, you'd hide it because of what? Because of things you're talking about right now.
Bright, no. That's what me I tell you. Yeah, man. They know hide that again, man.
Pardon? You have any money down? Sorry, we don't have any money. Yeah. Anyways, like I was saying, you don't have any reasoning behind it. So why you just do it because it's a normal thing to do?
I don't have no reason, man. No homosexual, me no support, man. Me listen to my program with you.
Okay. If you had a son and your son was homosexual,
you have to move. What me say? You have to scatter. You're mad.
So he's saying that if his own son was homosexual, I'm even afraid to go put this on the internet now. Anyways, like he said, he doesn't have any reasoning behind it. It's just a way of life here, and he just thinks that, you know, it's normal and we should, you know, just because he hasn't seen it, that it's wrong. There's a lot of things that you haven't seen. Just because you haven't seen it, you think it's bad. Anyways, peace.